Welcome everyone to Carol's Art Room. I'm going to do a bloom today on a larger canvas, 10 by 10. And last time I did one with a lot of greens. This time I'm going to do one with some blues. And I'm going to show you how I peel off the paint on my lowly Veffy silicone mat. And I just realized I'd been pronouncing this wrong. It's Veffy, not Effie. Or I think I was pronouncing it with an F. Anyway, it's lowly Veffy. See how this just peels off? It's awesome. As if it's left on there thick. Your drips, all your drips and your runoff. Now, any of this thinner stuff, some of it will peel off, but you have to scrape the rest off. I'm not going to do all that today. I'll scrape it when I need when I get a lot there. I scrape it with a scraper. They come with a scraper. And I've got a discount code in my description under my video for 10% off. If you order any, they come in different sizes. This is probably 15. 16. It's probably 17 inches by 17-inch circle. They come in 12-inch from your smaller spinner. This is a Lazy Susan. And then my table is a big one too. But if you look on their website, you'll see the sizes. I love them. All right, let's do something now. Okay, let's show you my colors. I've got some blues, lots of blues. I've got Amsterdam Manganese blue. Do I have this one? Let me see which one. Oh, it's greenish blue. Greenish blue is this one. I didn't make the manganese blue up. I've got ultramarine blue, DecoArt sapphire blue. I'll show you the colors as I put them down. Got a Piggy Premium. All right. Now, let's see which blue I want to put down first. This one's light blue violet. It's opaque. So I think I'll put this one down as Liquitex Basics. I might put it down twice, but we'll see. And I've got a Piggy, this little Piggy mermaid. I think I'll do ultramarine. This one is Amsterdam ultramarine blue. Now I have another, this is DecoArt Enchanted, Shimmer Enchanted. It's these are the ones that change color, so you have to put it on a dark color. So I'll put some on this dark blue and see what we get. This is blue. The blue one's supposed to turn blue. Let's try lots of different blues today. So let's see, I've got that one. I've done the ultramarine. Enchanted. And now I have, did I do the blue-green yet? Oh, no, I got blue-green. This one is blue-green by Amsterdam. I think I have the piggy. I think I'll put mermaid next. I guess this is monochromatic. And then what I think I'll do is I'll do one with blue and green together and see what we get. I think I'll do a swipe also. So that was this little piggy mermaid. And then the next one is, this one is cerulean blue and sapphire blue by DecoArt. Cerulean blue is Artist Loft. It's a metallic. I'm going to use my hairdryer today. This one seems pretty thick. Add some of my water. It's mixed with some varnish. It's polycrylic is what I use for mine. How did I use? This might come out kind of dark. I don't know. I think I might put a little bit of this on the top. This is the light blue violet by Liquitex Basics. So if you're new here or you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell and you'll be notified when I do a new video. Comment below, give me a thumbs up if you like this. It all helps my channel grow. I'm trying to get to 100,000 subscribers. So that would be great. All right. All my recipes for my blooms are in the description under my video. It's also on the Lowly Veffy website. On a card that you purchase. It's pretty cheap, and then you can buy a little book binder to put them in. There's a couple of other artists that have it also. I have a link in the description for 10% off. Oh, I guess I need my cell activator, don't I? I'm using black. Oh, I did put a lot. My little mini hair dryer, and we'll see how this goes. cool, low. Oh, isn't that pretty? Wow. It's very pretty colors. I'll let the middle come back. All right, I'm going to spin it. Well, what I didn't decide is if I'm going to modify this, or wreck it, whatever you want to call it. I don't like the term wrecked, but everybody seems to be using it, so. I think it's modified. Too many air bubbles, so I did a lot of stirring with these paints beforehand. All right. That's a big air bubble. Whoa. A lot of paint. Okay, I think think I might be done. Look at that center, so pretty. I'll save some of this paint. All right, well, thanks for watching. I'll put the dried result at the end of the video. That's gorgeous. Have a good day, everyone. Hi, everybody. Here's my dried canvas. It dried really pretty. Dried good. Center came out really good. Nice. Awesome. Thanks for watching and have a great day.